Maybe you created a backup Instagram profile, a test account, or an old page that no longer serves its purpose, and now it's just sitting there, taking up your space. This video is going to show you how to delete that second Instagram account. So the first step is to open the Instagram app on your phone and then hop over to your profile. We have to tap on these three lines at the top right, and this will give me access to my settings page. From here, we're first going to make sure that we are logged into our Instagram account, which we want to delete. So I will open the Account Center section. After this, scroll down until you see the Add More Accounts option. Your job is to simply enter the email address and password of the account, which you want to delete. But if you're already logged into that account, then you can skip this step. What I will do now is I will long press on my profile picture at the bottom right corner. The second Instagram account, which I want to delete, is the Marshall Johnson 028 account. So I will switch to that profile. Then tap on the three horizontal lines, right here one more time. The Delete Profile option is located at the Account Center section of the settings page. So I'll open that one more time, and then scroll down and tap on Personal Details here, Account Ownership and Control. Then Deactivation or Deletion. This page will give me the ability to select which Instagram account I want to delete, and I'm simply going to select the Marshall Johnson one. It's then going to ask me if I want to deactivate my account or if I want to delete it. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to delete the second Instagram account because I don't need it anymore. It will tell me that this will also remove the Threads account because these two can't be removed individually. Keep that in mind. I'll continue. I'll select a random reason here from the list. Then you can download your information from your account if you need to, and then continue one more time. The app is going to ask you for your password in order to confirm your identity, and once you enter the password, your account will first be deactivated for a period of 30 days. And when the 30 days pass, it will be deleted permanently, and you cannot get it back after that time. If you do these steps, but you change your mind after a couple of days or a couple of weeks, then simply enter your email address and your password, and then your Instagram account will be restored or reactivated. But when the 30 days pass, your Instagram account will be permanently deleted and you won't be able to get it back. So keep that in mind. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone, and I'll see you soon.